Hi music lovers, is Spotify acting up on your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got some quick and easy fixes to get your tune back on track. Let's get right into it. The first step is to check your internet connection. Ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. The next step is to restart your Spotify app. Open the Spotify app. Then you swipe up from the bottom or double click the home button on older iPhones. Find Spotify and swipe it away to close it. Next, you reopen the app. The next step is to log out and log back in. Open Spotify, then you go to the settings. Go to settings and privacy. You then scroll down and log out. The next step is to check for updates. Open the App Store and search for Spotify. If an update is available, tap Update. The next step is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a quick restart solves app issues. You can also reinstall Spotify. Delete the app by holding its icon and tapping Delete app, then reinstall it from the App Store. You can also check Spotify server status. Visit downdetector.com or Spotify social media platform to see if there is a service outage. Next, you update your iOS. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update and install the latest version of iOS. And that's how you troubleshoot Spotify on your iPhone. If these tips worked for you, let me know in the comment section and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!